Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. So to start with, open up your document where you want the table. Then you're going to click your cursor onto the document. Then we're going to create our table. We're going to click on Insert, Table, and to start with, just two blocks. Then on the left hand side, I'm going to click in the first cell, click on Insert, Table, and add the amount of blocks I want. Then I'm going to do the same in the right hand side and create another table to match it. So I'm going to go back to Insert, Table, add the same amount of building blocks, and you can see I've got two tables, but we want to remove the border now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on the outside to select the border. Then I'm going to click on Format, scroll down to Table, and then scroll down to Table Options. So this section will open up on the right hand side. Then here is where you can edit the border. So to get rid of that border, so I just have two tables, I'm going to reduce the size of it to 0. And as you can see, that gets rid of the border. You just got your two tables next to each other, which you can add information into. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.